Yesterday, friends, we learned all about an astronaut. Who was the astronaut that we learned about? We heard a true story about this woman. Do you remember her name and what was her job? Sally Ride. And what was her job? Astronaut. Good job. Can you clap astronaut? Astronaut. What does an astronaut do? The astronaut flies a space shuttle into space. We can see that she has on her microphone and her spacesuit, and she's on a space shuttle going into outer space. What do you see happening in this picture? Good job. The space shuttle or the rocket is blasting off and launching into the sky, into the space. Help me launch off our rocket. When space shuttles launch into space, everyone counts backwards from 10 until the moment it lifts off. Let's all count down from 10 together. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off. Psh. Can you show me or point to outer space in this picture? Good job. Can you point to Earth in this picture? Good job. And can you help me and point to Sally Ride's space shuttle in this picture? Good job. My friends say outer space, Earth, space shuttle. Now, friends, I want you to pretend that you're an astronaut just like Sally Ride. Let's pretend you're in a space shuttle. What are you wearing? A spacesuit. Are you floating in the air or are you sitting in your seat? Who can you talk to using your microphone? Your team. And what could you see if you look out of the window? You could see the stars, the moon, and the earth. Would you like to be an astronaut when you grow up? What would be your favorite thing to do if you got to be an astronaut? Remember, Sally Ride told everybody what it was like to be an astronaut, and she told them about how it was to see Earth from way up in the space shuttle. She wanted all the girls and all the boys to know that they could become scientists and astronauts if they wanted to be. Now, my friends, remember we heard new words. We heard the word decided. Can you say decided? Decided is to make a choice. Decided means to make a choice. Today, I decided I wanted to eat chicken nuggets for lunch instead of pizza. Now let's listen and read a part of our story that you heard before. Sally Ride worked hard in school. She learned about the stars and about how machines like cars and rockets work. She decided she wanted to be an astronaut and fly into space. Decided means made a choice. Sally Ride decided to be an astronaut. She made up her mind and made a choice that she wanted to fly into space when she grew up. She made a choice. She decided. My friends, say that word with me. Decided. Let's look through the story again. Sally Ride decided she wanted to be an astronaut. Sally Ride decided she was going to work hard in school and learn a lot about science. Sally Ride decided to become a member of a team of astronauts. Sally Ride decided to drive a space shuttle as it launched into outer space. Sally Ride decided to look out of the space shuttle's window and see the Earth. Sally Ride decided to do cartwheels inside the space shuttle. And Sally Ride decided to tell lots of people what it was like to be an astronaut. My friends, Sally Ride made lots of good choices. She made a choice. My friends, say decided. Good job, friends. So now you're going to decide. Do you like blue or do you like red? You have to decide which color you like. You have to make a choice. My friends, say, I decided. Good job.